studying your last two. I swim med when they turned in. The staring down to mute. And can learn the pole that sunk he died.
Today, almost every business has some form of online presence. Whether it's selling products through a website, offering services through a mobile app, or using online marketplaces, internet business has become a normal part of operating a corporation. This is exactly why Schedule 88 exists. Schedule 88 is used to provide the Canada Revenue Agency with information about a corporation's internet business activities. It tells the CRA how the corporation conducts business online and what digital platforms it uses to earn revenue. For example, a corporation may operate its own online store through its website, sell products using a mobile application, or list products on third-party marketplaces. Some businesses may even serve customers around the world through the internet without having a traditional storefront. Schedule 88 helps the CRA understand these business activities. One important point to remember is that Schedule 88 is an information schedule. It does not calculate additional tax, and it does not increase the amount of tax the corporation owes. Its purpose is simply to provide information about the corporation's online operations. Think about the difference between a traditional business and an internet business. A traditional business may operate only from a physical location where customers visit the store. An internet business, on the other hand, may have a corporate website, an online store, a mobile app, or sell through digital marketplaces, allowing it to reach customers across Canada and around the world. The CRA wants to understand how businesses operate in today's digital economy. That's why Schedule 88 asks corporations to describe their internet activities, websites, and online business models. The key takeaway is simple. Schedule 88 is not about how much tax a corporation pays. It's about how the corporation uses the internet to conduct business. By providing this information, corporations help the CRA better understand their online operations while ensuring accurate and transparent reporting. Schedule 88 asks corporations to describe the different ways they conduct business over the internet. The goal is to help the Canada Revenue Agency understand the corporation's online business model and the digital platforms it uses to earn revenue. One of the most common internet business activities is operating a corporate website. A website may simply provide information about the business, or it may allow customers to place orders, request services, or communicate directly with the company. Many businesses also operate an online store where customers can purchase products or services directly through the company's website. These e-commerce activities are an important part of today's digital economy and are commonly reported on Schedule 88. Some corporations sell through third-party online marketplaces instead of their own websites. These marketplaces connect businesses with customers and allow products to be sold through well-known online platforms. If a corporation earns revenue this way, those internet business activities should also be considered when completing Schedule 88. Other businesses provide digital services rather than physical products. Examples include online consulting, software subscriptions, cloud-based services, training programs, memberships, or other services delivered entirely over the internet. Some corporations also earn revenue from internet advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or advertisements displayed on their websites. In addition, many businesses use mobile applications to sell products, deliver services, or interact with customers using smartphones and tablets. A simple way to think about Schedule 88 is to imagine the internet connecting every part of the business. Customers visit websites, place orders, make online payments, receive digital services, or purchase products that are shipped to them. Schedule 88 helps describe how all of these activities fit together. When preparing the schedule, corporations may be asked to provide information, such as their website addresses, the types of online business activities they perform, the sources of their online revenue, and the digital platforms they use. The key takeaway is simple. Schedule 88 is designed to help the CRA understand how your corporation operates on the internet. It focuses on your online business activities and business model, not on calculating or changing your tax liability. Completing Schedule 88 starts with understanding exactly how the corporation conducts business on the internet. Before filling out the schedule, take time to identify every online activity that contributes to the business. Begin by asking a few simple questions. Does the corporation have a website? Does it sell products through an online store? Does it use third-party marketplaces to reach customers? Are digital services or subscriptions offered? Is there a mobile application that generates revenue? The answers to these questions will help determine what information needs to be reported. Once you've identified the corporation's internet activities, gather the relevant details. This includes website addresses, domain names, online marketplaces, mobile applications, and any other digital platforms used by the business. You should also understand how the corporation earns revenue online, whether through product sales, digital services, subscriptions, advertising, affiliate marketing, or other internet-based activities. Next, use this information to complete Schedule 88. The objective is to provide the CRA with a clear description of the corporation's online business model and the internet platforms it uses to operate. After completing the schedule, review all of the information carefully to ensure it is complete and accurate before filing the T2 return. There are several common mistakes to avoid. Don't forget to report sales made through online marketplaces. Make sure all business websites and domain names are included. If the corporation operates a mobile application or provides digital services, those activities should not be overlooked. Also, avoid providing vague or incomplete descriptions of how the business operates online. The more accurate and complete the information, the easier it is for the CRA to understand the corporation's internet business activities. Before filing the return, complete one final review. Confirm that you've identified every internet business activity, listed all websites and digital platforms, described how online revenue is earned, and verified that Schedule 88 has been completed accurately. The key takeaway is simple. Schedule 88 is not a tax calculation schedule. Its purpose is to explain your corporation's online business activities to the CRA. By providing a complete picture of how the business operates on the internet, you help ensure transparent reporting and support accurate tax administration.